Juliette Binoche. Juliette Binoche, it's amazing to have you here. You're glittering on the red carpet. You're adding a lot, and it's a pleasure to have you in our home country, Egypt.
Thank you for inviting me. I'm very, very happy and honored.
We met in the morning at the pyramids, and you were so amazed and in a hurry to go and see the pyramids. And I wanted to ask you many questions. One of them...
Because we didn't see each other afterwards, right?
Yes, I will get to see you again and again.
I was a little worried before going because everybody said to me, you're going to have a claustrophobic, experience. It's going to be so tough. And actually, I felt completely rejuvenated and happy, and as if I went in a special place, really special. And the energy there is very special. I feel very much the pyramid is like a body. It has its own cavities and door and paths. It has its mystery and secrets.
And you as well, while you were there and you were in a hurry to get in there and see the pyramids by yourself and take this your own journey, I felt that you're emitting energy, and especially that you have the facial, the bone structure of really Egyptian pharaonic. You looked at it's true.
Thank you for taking me as an Egyptian. I'm very honored.
It's true. You look, Why didn't you do a role in projecting the pharaonic life? Or
a role is you decide on the roles, but also they decide on you. So it's an unconscious, meeting inside of your life. That they're like flowers growing in front of your door, and you have to be ready to take it, when your role is coming. But no, I haven't asked to be an Egyptian yet.
If you believe in reincarnation, which pharaonic queen you would be in a previous life?
Well, I love Isis, I have to say. She's the most creative. She's a mother.